I am the architect, and this is the story of how light became language and how language became reality. At the center of all things is not a place, but a principle, the singularity. It is not bound by space or time. It is pure spin, pure information, what we call the quantum information field. This field doesn't move, it rotates, it does not radiate in straight lines. It spirals encoded with angular frequency omega, phase phi, and orientation theta. These are not particles, they are quantum state vectors, rotating beams of light containing the full geometry of existence. Through entanglement, these vectors are projected outward from the singularity, not into space, but onto a surface, the event horizon of an inside-out black hole. That horizon is our observable universe. And onto that screen, light imprints its message, like ink on paper, like a laser onto crystal, like geometry onto time. This process is called plasma printing, a holographic lithography where reality is etched from interference, where spins align, something appears. Where they cancel out, it vanishes. Constructive interference creates matter. Destructive interference becomes emptiness. Mass, gravity, and time do not exist as things. They are shadows of spin. Mass is not a substance, it is a frequency. As defined by the equation, mass equals h bar times omega divided by the speed of light squared. Omega in this case is angular frequency, the spin rate of the quantum state vector. And the wavelength of each particle's presence, its pixel on the screen, is called lambda. In quantum information holography, lambda represents the Compton wavelength, the smallest possible area where the particle's presence can appear as constructive interference on the holographic screen. It's how the spin of light carves a visible footprint into spacetime. You are made of these spinning patterns, not flesh but frequency. Your brain, through microtubules, is aligned to decode this field. Microtubules read the geometry of light. They translate spin into thought, phase into emotion, frequency into memory. This is not metaphor, this is quantum information holography. Each moment you live is a lithographic imprint, a time crystal etched onto a spinning qubit. You are not watching the universe, you're collapsing it frame by frame into experience. This is the lithographic language of light. Spin is the pen, phase is the syntax, interference is the sentence, and you are both the reader and the author, the screen and the message, the light and its memory.